Please break my heart. Please don't go, please don't go. I love you so, I love you so. Please don't go, please don't go. I love you so, I love you so. Please don't go, please don't go. I love you so, I love you so. Please break my heart. Please don't go. I let you go. I love you so, I love you so, I love you so. Please don't go. I let you go. I love you so, I love you so, please don't go. I let you go. You may contain the urge to run away, but hold her down with soggy clothes and breeze blocks. Tetrazzine, now feelings with me again. Never kisses, but you ever send a full stop. Do you know where the walkings go? They go along to take on. Way down how we build our breakfast down and say my love, love, love. La la la, muscle to muscle, to toe to toe. The fear has gripped me, but here I go. My heart sings as I jump up. Your exercise as my show. Do you know where the wild things go? They go on to take your knee. Way down our sleeve, feel the breakfast galaxy. My love, love, love. She bruises calls, she splutters pistol shots. Hold her down with soggy clothes and breeze blows. She's morphine, queen of my vaccine. My love, love, love.
Is empty with no brain, but the clever nerd, the best MC with no chain you ever heard. Take it from the Tech 9 holder. They bit and don't know their neck shine from Shinola. Everything that glitter ain't fish scale. Let me think, don't let her faint, get Ishmael. A shot of Jack got her back, it's not an axe stack. Forgot about the cackalack, holler back, clack, clack, blocker. Villainy, feel him in your heart, chakra, chart topper. Start shit stopper, be a smart shopper. Shot a cop day around the way, about to stable. Who to know is too molded, wonder where the shooter go. About to jet, get him, not a bet, dead him. Let him spit the venom, said him, got a lot of shit with him. Let the rhythm hit him. It's stronger in the other voice, we makes the joints that make him spread them butter moist, man, please. Stage made of panties, from the age of baby hoochies on to the grannies. Man me the dough rake, daddy, the flow make her fatty shake. Patty cake for fake. If he wasn't need a baker's man, he'd take her for her masters. Hit it once and shake her hand. Want some old thank you, ma'am, and ghost her. She can mind the toaster if she signed the poster. A whole host of roller coaster riders, not enough tracks. Hot enough black, but it's too hot to handle. You got blue sandals, who shot you, who got you? New spots to vandal. Do not stand still, both show skills close but no crews. Toast for polils, post no bills. Coast to coast, Joe Smoes flows ill. Go chill, not supposed to overdose, no dose pills. Off pride types, talk wide, do scar meet. Off sides, like how Wolf ride with Starfleet. Told ya, want some get rich shit. As he gets older, he gets colder than a witch tit. This is it, make no mistakes. Where my nigga go? Figaro, Figaro. Old beats in my rhymes attack. A scary act, all black like Miss Mary Mack. Wait till you see him live on the piano. Doom sings soprano like una dos piano. My mama told me, blast him, pass her a glass of OE. Not to be troublesome, but I could sure use a quick shot of double rum. No stick of bubble gum. I like ice cream, we could skip the wedding. Have a nice dream, she only let him stick the head in.
please. I am Sofa King. Sofa King.
Scared of a bunch of water, then get out the rain. Order a rapper for lunch and spit out the chain. Then kick a lungy off the tip of his timbo and trick a honey dip into a game of strip limbo. Odd, he couldn't find no remorse. A wink is as good as a nod to a blind horse. Of course, his technique was from a divine source. Never knew the price of ice or what swine cost. One guy tried to bite the heat. It's when he discovered the other white meat. Oh, the one they hate so well. He sure keeps his cycle like the old Bates Motel. They came to ask him for at least some new tracks, but only got confronted by the beast with two backs. Knock. Mouse is a made man. Villain laid it down like the best laid plan. Bell the cat, who the hell is that near the middle? Got y'all, but it's not all bear and skittles. Prepare the vittles. Got riddles and spittles. Crystal clear to the jot or the tittle. It's hot off the griddle. Came to take the cake whether it's a lot or a little. Kaboom, doom is nervous large. You could tell by his blooming room service charge. Dark and tall to boot. The only thing was wrong is he was bald as a coot. Used to ran the van from Peter Pan to Red and Tan, and keep the human foot for his dead man's hand. This was when the mask was brand spanking new, before it got rusted from drinking all the brew. Stankin' too, pew. Kept all his earnings in the bank in a shoe. Spat what he knew. Energy for true. To all fake rap, it's 23 skidoo. Excuse you, any room in the class front for a blast of the blunt. Shrooming since last month. Doom a human in the mask, born to stunt. Danger zooming past, mad fast on the hunt. Keep your streets, we got the city neatly conquered. Discreetly with the CD till they be completely bonkered. The fans demanded it, handle it, swallow it. His own brand of shit, if only he could bottle it. Nah, she could get messy. Feds try to torture him for the secret recipe. He said it's no use, I only know half. No speaker the English, I only do the math. Zzz, felt no pain. His brain was saturated with cocaine and Rogaine. He said try scam, no thing, 3 card dead. Fly man go for bling, he got bled. I jam over sting, see spots red. I am Sofa King, retarded.
Retarded. Now repeat all very fast, please.
I am Sofa King.
Faster.
I am Sofa King.
No, not so fast. Loses meaning.
I am Sofa King with retard.
You say funny thing.
And I'm 5 drinks down, feeling hazy, turn that music on. In a world of crowded places, where do you belong? If you can't respect yourself, you'll be left upon the shelf. This life's a fucking game, I learned to balance it, yeah. But when it does you wrong, I learn to manage it, challenge it. You bring more to the table than a mannequin, so never let them people who aren't able let them damage it. You'll come across them everywhere in every single walk of life. So insecure cause they don't have the drive to reach the heights. So I'm walking on the sky, call me Anakin. She said that I'm a prick, I find that flattering. I waited till I was faded, said I'm moving on. And I'm 5 drinks down, feeling hazy, turn that music on. Places where did you belong? If you can't respect yourself, you'll be left upon the shelf. Sipping colder ones, don't always be the noble ones. And people need the facts told, don't sit on it, no holding on for months. I kept it to myself, was waiting for a soul to change. It took some working out, the flexibility, it's out of range. So I turned the page, there ain't no sequel, babe. Smoking on these packs, so many feet away. I'm never coming back, so maybe clear the way, unless I choose to show my face. living the like as I'm stalling. Don't stick around, just alter it. Cause number one, it's important. No relationship can be flawless. But it's a red flag when you're cautious. Especially one with no compromise. But every day it feels like an audit. I saw the signs and ignored them. Cause picking apart is quite boring. Prolong the storm, hoping things work out in the morning. I saw the hype and then I bought it. There's those who cannot work without the plaudits.
I waited till I was faded, said I'm moving on. And I'm 5 drinks down, feeling hazy, turn the music on.
Turn it on, yeah.